guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create this holiday makeup look. I really love it. It is so simple and easy, and I think it'll pair with any outfit. It'll go with any skin tone. It is just perfect, plain, simple, just gorgeous for the holiday season. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, and let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some foundation. I'm going to use this L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Glow Foundation. And I'm just going to shake it up, squeeze it in the back of my hand, and apply it all over. And I'm going to be using this brush with that because this is quite liquidy. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M439 brush with this. See how liquidy that is? Yeah. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face, kind of spreading it out first, and then I'm gonna go in with the brush. Make sure you get your ears and down your neck. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, which is going to be the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I use this all the time. I really like it. I should really try and branch out into something else, but I'm scared. I'm trying not to buy too much makeup that I don't need, especially right now. I don't go anywhere. Beautiful. Perfect. Done. Alright, and now I'm going to go in and tap it all in. I like to set my under eye because my eyelids and my under eyes typically crease. So I like to set mine. So I'm going to use this RCMA No Color translucent powder with my little ghetto brush. It's broken, but I still use it because I just use it under the eyes. It's kind of the only reason I keep it is it's like perfect to get right up in here, all over. And this powder is super finely milled. So I'm just gonna go in there, tap a little excess off and apply. Okay, so the sun decides to move every 5 seconds. So I feel like I'm just like now I have the little thing on my, whatever. You know what? It is what it is. So the next thing is I'm going to go in with this NYX ink eyeliner, and I'm going to delicately line the top of my lashes, and I'm going to try to make it even, and I'm going to try to do a wing. I know. I don't know how you guys do it out there. Those of you who know how to do wing liner so perfectly, help a girl out, because I don't really know. I just kind of line it and then tug on my eye really lightly and then just kind of follow the natural upness of my eye, upward motion of it. But I've seen some people do eyeliner where it kind of starts in the middle of their eye and then they make it really thick and they extend it up, and it looks really, really cool, and I'd really love to know how to do that. So if you have any tricks, recommendations, anything like that, let me know. Okay, so I kind of went really thick on the outer part of my eye, but you know what? I'm kind of digging it. So what I find to be kind of helpful with eyeliner is, especially with liquid liner, I get a really fine, let me show you, really fine tipped point. And then what I do is I kind of just go against the inner part of my eye and I almost press it. And then I rest my palm on my cheek and I just kind of move at my wrist. I just move my wrist like this, and then I turn it around and go pretty much the same thing but backwards like that. That way I find it tightly goes against my eyelashes, and about 99% of the time it works. Sometimes it goes, but most of the time that trick really works for me. Okay, that looks about even. Now I'm going to attempt to do the wing part, which is that, at the end. to mascara. I finally got a chance to decorate a little bit my apartment. How cute. I don't know if you can really see it, but if you'd like to see how I decorated my apartment on a budget, click the link down below. I will have it there for you. I share some like tips and tricks on how you can do it and still make your apartment look really cute and festive, but you don't have to spend a whole lot of money. So how have you guys been? How's everything? It's been so crazy at work. Just a lot is going on. It's been kind of rough. We actually had a positive case at my store. Someone had tested positive. I don't think they actually like felt sick or anything. I'm not sure. They don't actually tell us any of that. They just tell us if we've been exposed to them or not. And I wasn't. A couple of our partners were though, so they had to go on quarantine. But you know what? They're back. Everyone is fine, thankfully. So we're back into it. I'm really looking forward to my birthday. It's the 17th. I'm so excited. And then my dad's birthday is the 22nd, and then we have Christmas and like holidays, which I mean, I'm not really doing anything. I'm just going down to see my family, and Liz is coming and we're gonna see her family. We're gonna do Christmas at both places. So that's gonna be fun. But aside from that, and we're gonna be testing, and we're going to get tested before we go down there just in case, because we do work with a lot of people. So just to be safe, we're gonna get tested before we go down, but we're literally seeing our families. It'll be good, it'll be nice. Just gonna make the best out of it. All right. Onto mascara. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara, and I'm going to apply it to top and bottom lashes. Okay, next up, I'm going to use bronzer, and I typically don't use bronzer like ever, but it's winter time and I feel like I haven't been outside like at all. So I need to kind of pretend that I have. So I'm going to use this butter bronzer. It's like this mini one from Physicians Formula. And I'm going to use this new Real Techniques brush that I got. I'm really excited to try it out. So that'll be fun. Following that, I'm going to use my Tarte blush, just a little bit with my typical brush that I use for it. Smells so good, so coconutty. It's like a vacation. No vacations for me anytime soon. Just pretend that we've been on vacation to a tropical island in Bora Bora or Tahiti. I wish. Although my friend had her honeymoon there, I'm jealous. This is definitely better for like the carving of the face, like right here. Not so much down here, but we can work with it. All right, now for the blush, literally just going to tap. Just want to do very minimal. Great, that's it. Now for kind of the Christmassy vibe, I'm going to go in with this lipstick. And I think is it Kate Moss? I'm not sure. Don't quote me on this, but it's actually a Rimmel brand that they partnered with Kate on. And this is going to be shade number 11. It's such a beautiful red. If you know me, I'm a sucker for reds, especially dark ones like this. I feel like this color is so Christmassy and so wintry and just makes your teeth look great. I love this color. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you stay safe and healthy throughout the holidays. Take care, hug and kiss your loved ones, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.